Hey, what's going on? Coming at you with quick riff number 14 today. So in this one, this is a little trick that I use all the time. I love to use this in all different keys. So once you get a feel for it, try it in other keys. But this is going to be a pentatonic riff. The example is in A minor pentatonic. And what it does is it uses only the top two strings, the B and the E string, and it climbs through all of the shapes with sliding to get basically from here all the way up to here. So I'm starting in shape 5. This is something that once you understand the idea, you could start in any one of the shapes and climb up as high through the shapes as you want to. So if we're in A minor pentatonic, shape 5 is the one that would be back here. So I'm starting here in shape 5 on these high B and E strings. So starting on the 3rd fret, G here, this is the riff first. I'll just show you what it sounds like. So a cool little shreddy rock type of riff. When you do it slow, it's not nearly as complicated and bad as it looks. So when you go through each shape, shape 5, shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, shape 4, shape 5, back to shape 1 again, every single time those top two strings of each shape is always one of two different patterns. At the top of shape 5, it's the 3 fret stretch. At the top of shape 1, it's the 4 fret stretch. And of course, if you want to use your pinky, that's fine. I'm doing this whole idea with fingers 1 and 3 and just either keeping them small for shape 5, an extra fret for shape 1, back to the smaller one for shape 2, back to the bigger one for shape 3, big one for shape 4, small one for shape 5, and then the big one for shape 1. So it's always either this 3 fret stretch or this 4 fret stretch for every single spot. So the idea is to do shape 5, hit the E string with your first finger, hit the B string with the 3rd finger, and then that's the note that you will slide into the part of the next part of shape 1, which would now be this shape. So you have E string, B string, slide, 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 bend, which that bend at the end could be a slide, another 2 frets again. So whether you slide it at the end or bend it is up to you. I was demonstrating it with a slide. So that's the idea. If you get these shapes, those are all of the shapes that you need to play, but you won't play them as chords like that. So it's going to be E string, B string, slide, E string, B string, slide, E string, B string, slide, E string, B string, slide. And continuing. And that's the whole riff. As far as the picking goes, for me, this is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Of course, it doesn't have to be. It could be all downstrokes if you wanted to, or sometimes I might use hybrid picking for something like this, would be middle finger pick. So let's call the middle finger a pluck. We'll say pluck, pick, slide, pluck, pick, slide, all the way up. but any one that feels comfortable would be the way to go. So that's quick riff number 14. Give it a shot.